Hello children, how are you all? So, are you waiting for the class today? Yes, I'm sure. So, let's start today's class. We are going to learn today introduction to instant messaging. We are going to learn about the instant messaging, what is instant messaging, what are the instant messaging apps, what are its advantages and how to download it. Okay, so but before we move on to the chapter, I want to talk to you that I hope that you have done the previous written work in your fair notebook. I'm sure you did it, and if you did not, so please, when you complete, do it now, do it right now when you are free. And one suggestion I would like to share with you all that please don't spend too much of time on your mobile unless it is important, because it's not necessary that you send all the work immediately, all the subject work. It is my personal suggestion to you all that you can take a proper gap between the work you are doing at your home. You take a proper gap so you can refrain your eyes from the strain. Okay, so much strain is putting on your eyes, you are putting yourself by watching the gadgets. So my suggestion to you all that take a proper gap, take a proper rest after at least half an hour. When you are working on a gadget for half an hour, so just half an hour, after half an hour you have to take the gap, and then take a 15-20 minutes gap, then come on again and do your work, right? So it makes you. So what is instant messaging? Instant messaging is a way of communication, right? So in instant messaging we share our messages, not only messages but also we share some audio video files, right? So instant messaging is a very popular medium of communication around the world. Instant messaging has its own advantages, like you can send the messages in the real time. Okay, you can send the, like immediately you send your thoughts, your views on any instant messaging app, and the other receiver on the other end, it receives at the real time, in the real time, your message. So this is the benefit of the instant messaging, and you share your thoughts, you share your views. Okay, and you can share your link in the instant messagings. And sometimes when you go at place, okay, and you don't know about the place, you are going to meet your friends in some other city and you don't know his house, where it is located. So in that situation you can share your location with the use of the navigation way. So it helps the people to find the location very easily by using the instant messaging apps. So there are very different kind of apps are available. Okay, so you can use at any one of the app, and these instant messaging app, in short IM apps, are available in two ways. There are two types of instant messaging apps. First is the application based, and second is the web based instant messaging apps. So like if I talk about the names of that instant messaging apps, like WhatsApp, we are very familiar with that, and Yahoo Messenger, Google Hangout, okay, eBuddy. So these all are the instant messaging, and many more are there, not only these. So let's see here what is the Google Hangout, because your chapter is explaining here the Google Hangout. So Google Hangout is basically developed by Google. It is owned by Google, this app, and you can download in your device this app from the sources, and you can use it like any other IM app. Okay, and it helps you to send the messages and receive the messages, and share video calls, audio files, and other stuff also. So you can download it very easily, follow the instruction how to download it like any other app. And if you have already any account, so you can connect it with that. If you not, so you can make a new account, you can create an account, follow the given steps. Okay, after downloading this app, you can follow some instruction by the app, and you can use it very easily, and you can share it Okay, so this is the about the Google Hangout app. It is very popular app around the world, and it is only used for the messaging, calling, and all the sharing files. And these apps consume the internet data, children. Okay, it's not free. That normally it's not work, it doesn't work offline. You have to recharge your data packs, then you can utilize this app. Okay, so there you can make free calls, free videos, like in the WhatsApp. Okay, so this will help you a lot. So that's all for today, children, and you will get the question answers, you will get the exercises, and do this in your copy and book. Please read the chapter thoroughly. Chapter reading is very important. Take just take some time for reading the chapter and read it very carefully, and just focus on your work. Okay, and have a good day, have a blissful day. Thank you, children.